Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be installing the Smart Devil screen protector. It is a quick installation screen protector, dust-free, easy installation applicator. Also comes with everything you need. It does say film installation toolkit, but this is a glass screen protector. It comes with your microfiber cloth, your wet wipe, and a dust removal sticker. We've already got the screen all cleaned off and ready to go. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install this screen protector. I just did one of these on my iPhone 16 Pro Max and it literally took me less than like 15 seconds. So this is a 3-pack, but your first one does come on the applicator already. So it is pre-installed in here and ready to go. All you have to do, set the applicator down on your phone. It does say what the top is. Make sure your phone is down in there all the way. Just give a press on the applicator here. Give the orange tab a good firm pull. There we go. And what that does when that comes out as well is it also removes any dust from the screen with this plastic layer right here. And then the screen protector touches the screen and it is applied. And then all you have to do is remove your applicator from the screen. And there we go. A perfectly installed screen protector, not a single speck of dust, not a single bubble on there. We didn't even have to wipe it off or push any bubbles out or anything. As you can see, fits right up to the edge, leaves a little bit of room there for a case on the edges, which is good. That's a good thing. So your cases won't rip the screen protector up. And all you have to do to install your second one is remove this right here. Take that out. And this applicator is reusable. You just snap your new one on, which is in the box. There are 2 other ones in there. Like I said, it is a 3-pack. Put that on here and you're ready to install another one, either on another device, or if you need to replace this one later down the road, you can do so. And it is a very, very nice screen protector. I've just got the metal end of my USB cable here that came with it. Will simulate some junk in your pocket. That corner right there, that key, stuff like that. As you can see, no scratches, no harm. Everything is still nice on there. We'll wake my phone up here, show you guys the fingerprint still does work on the Galaxy S25 Ultra here. I didn't even have to set it back up or anything like that. It works just fine, no issues whatsoever with this screen protector. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.